In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Google Vids. This simple yet effective feature can dramatically improve the visual appeal and organization of your content, making it easier for your audience to follow along and understand key points. Whether you're creating a video for educational purposes, work presentations, or just for fun, mastering the art of adding bullet points in Google Vids is essential. Begin this process by navigating to the Google Vids homepage. This is your gateway to accessing the wide array of tools Google offers for video editing and production. Once you're on the site, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this will prompt you to choose which Google account you'd like to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with the content you plan to create or edit. After successfully signing in, your journey to adding bullet points to your video slides takes a creative turn. Your next action is to click on your text within the video. This might seem straightforward, but it's a crucial step. Selecting the text element you wish to edit or embellish with bullet points directly impacts how information is received and understood by your viewers. Now for the creative part, adding the bullet points, look for the bullet point icon located on the ribbon, which is usually at the top of your editing interface. Clicking this icon will transform your selected text into a bulleted list. This simple click is a powerful way to organize your content into easily digestible points, ensuring that your audience can quickly grasp the information you're presenting. However, there might be instances where the bullet point icon isn't immediately visible. This often happens if your screen is minimized, or if you're working within a smaller window. But don't let that deter you. In such cases, look for 3 vertical dots, an indication to expand your ribbon. Clicking on these dots will reveal additional options, including the bullet point icon you've been searching for. Expanding the ribbon to find the bullet point icon is more than just a workaround. It's a testament to Google Vids' user-friendly design, ensuring you have all the tools you need at your fingertips, regardless of your screen size or device. As you venture into adding bullet points, remember that this is just the tip of the iceberg in terms of what you can achieve with Google Vids. Bullet points are a fundamental feature, yet they play a crucial role in the clarity and effectiveness of your video content. Whether highlighting critical data, outlining key messages, or structuring your content for better viewer engagement, bullet points are an indispensable tool in your video editing toolkit. Through this video, I've walked you through the steps to seamlessly add bullet points to your Google Vids content. From signing into your Google account, selecting your text, to finally hitting the bullet point icon on the ribbon, and not to forget expanding your ribbon if necessary. Each step, no matter how small, contributes to the overall effectiveness and professionalism of your video content. Remember, the essence of a great video lies not just in the visual or auditory content, but in how the information is organized and presented. Bullet points offer a straightforward yet powerful way to enhance the clarity and impact of your messages. They help in breaking down complex information into manageable chunks, making your content not only more attractive, but also more accessible to your audience. So, go ahead, give it a try, experiment with different styles, and see how bullet points can transform your video content from good to great. And as you delve deeper into Google Vids, keep exploring and leveraging its full range of features to bring your creative vision to life. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's always something new to learn and discover with Google Vids. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to add bullet points in Google Vids. Here's to creating engaging, informative, and beautifully organized content that captures the essence of your message and resonates with your audience. Happy editing.